On November 9, 2025, Ohio saw several significant government actions across different areas, including food assistance adjustments related to federal SNAP benefits, legislative activities concerning elections, administrative rule proposals on wildlife management, and the impact of the federal shutdown on early childhood programs. 1. Food assistance and SNAP benefits *. Due to ongoing federal court actions and federal government directives, the USDA ordered Ohio to immediately reverse any steps toward issuing full SNAP benefits for November 2025, requiring a 35% reduction in maximum SNAP allotments instead. This has caused a complicated interaction with state-level emergency food assistance programs. Governor Mike DeWine had previously ordered the Ohio Department of Job and Family Services, ODJFS, to distribute up to $18 in emergency relief benefits to low-income Ohioans, contingent on full SNAP benefits being issued. With only partial federal payments now authorized, the fate of this $18 assistance is uncertain and under review. Approximately 1.4 million Ohioans receive around $264 in SNAP benefits monthly. Additionally, Governor DeWine was poised to sign an executive order directing ODJFS to allocate $7 for food assistance to support families affected by the federal shutdown, complementing a previously announced initiative to provide up to $25 to food assistance programs during this federal funding suspension 145. 2. Legislative activities. On November 9, the Ohio Senate General Government Committee adopted a substitute bill concerning sweeping elections reforms. Though specific details from this date are limited, the bill aims to extend deadlines related to elections, reflecting ongoing legislative attention to election law. 3. Administrative and regulatory actions. The Ohio Department of Natural Resources, ODNR Division of Wildlife, continued accepting public comments on proposed rule changes affecting wildlife, including amendments to the definitions of wild boar and feral swine, and new regulations around fishing tournaments requiring prior authorization and reporting. Also proposed was the removal of exemptions allowing sales of snapping and softshell turtles caught in the wild. The comment period remains open through mid-2025 summer, indicating ongoing regulatory adjustments, but not a finalized rule as of November 9/6. 4. Federal shutdown impacts on early childhood programs. The federal government shutdown affected early childhood programs in southeast Ohio, including Head Start programs in Scioto, Highland, and Lawrence counties. 2 county programs have already closed with staff furloughs, and Lawrence County's program is operating on emergency funds intended to last 1 to 2 months. Coshocton County Head Start extended its service with anonymous donations, but continues facing financial strain due to the shutdown. 3. 5 recent related government emergency measures. Prior to November 9, Governor DeWine declared a state of emergency, effective October 14, 2025, banning intoxicating hemp products containing Delta-8 and Delta-10 THC to protect public health, particularly children. This executive order requires retailers to remove these products immediately and reclassifies intoxicating hemp under Ohio Department of Agriculture guidelines, differentiating them from non-intoxicating hemp products such as CBD oils too. Key officials and agencies involved. Governor Mike DeWine, spearheading emergency orders and executive directives regarding food assistance and public health measures. Ohio Department of Job and Family Services, ODJFS, managing SNAP benefits and state emergency food relief distribution. USDA, United States Department of Agriculture, issuing federal directives limiting SNAP benefits issuance. Ohio Senate General Government Committee, advancing election reform legislation. Ohio Department of Natural Resources, ODNR Division of Wildlife, proposing regulatory changes. Local early childhood program administrators managing impacts of federal shutdowns. In summary, November 9, 2025, in Ohio was marked by intensive government activity, primarily focused on managing federal funding uncertainties, affecting food assistance and early childhood services, legislative progress on election law reform, and ongoing rulemaking in natural resource management. Emergency actions in previous months, such as banning intoxicating hemp products, remain in place as part of broader state public health and consumer safety efforts.